guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our cell phone mount on your Ranger 1500. Today I'm going to walk you through installing the charging variant as it involves the wiring needed to power your wireless phone charger. For the first step, we're going to place our mount bracket down into position, line up our 4 holes, and use a Sharpie to mark the hole that will drill out for our wire to be ran through. With your hole marked, you'll drill your hole out to a 5/8 inch diameter hole. When drilling through the dash, you'll want to make sure and drill towards the front of the vehicle. And you don't want to drill deeper than necessary. You just want to get through this first layer of plastic that'll allow your connector for your wiring harness to be ran through the hole. You'll want to drill holes in the rubber mat that'll sit down on top of your dash. This will allow our wire to be ran through, as well as our screws to easily penetrate the rubber mat and thread in to our threaded inserts inside the dash. You're going to want to route your wiring harness from the under hood section through the firewall grommet. Once you fish your harness up into the dash through the hole you drilled, you can slide the plug through your rubber plate and slide your rubber plate all the way down. For the next step, we're going to assemble the phone charger assembly, get it mounted to the vehicle, and finally plug it in and test it. Here we have our driver's side phone charger mount bracket. It must be marked with a D so you know which side of the vehicle it goes on. We'll go ahead and mount our phone charger assembly to it using our number 8 socket cap screws and lock nuts. Once you have all the screws in their respective holes and the lock nuts started, you can go ahead and tighten everything up, and we'll move to installing on the vehicle. Once you have your harness ran through your mount bracket, you can take the other matching connector from your phone charger and plug it in. Once you have it plugged in, you can feed it back through your bracket and feed it up under the bracket so that you have a nice clean finish. We'll go ahead and set the bracket in position and start by fastening our Allen head screws. You can go ahead and snug them down. Then we'll use a drill with a Phillips head drill bit to tighten up our 2 rear holes. These will be the slotted non-circular holes. We'll simply switch out the bit on our drill. And take our Phillips head. You may need to adjust the phone charger to get it out of your way. And we can thread those directly into the dash to provide a nice secure fit. Then we can return and tighten up our Allen head screws before we move on to the pulse bar. With your phone charger fully assembled and tight in the dash, we simply plug in our pulse bar to an open slot in our pulse bar provided under the hood. Once you plug it in, you'll have key on power to the cell phone charger. You can test it by turning the key on and setting your phone up against the cell phone charger. With that done, you can put your hood back on and clean the rest of the vehicle up. You're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab wireless charger on your Ranger 1500.